ASUS Republic of Gamers, or ROG as we know it, recently announced the launch of the Strix GL12CX, which as per ASUS is the world's first desktop to use an NVIDIA GeForce RTX2080 Ti graphics engine. The ASUS ROG Strix desktop will be available starting December. There has been no disclosure of the price by the company yet, and it is expected to be revealed with the product launch in December only. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. Claimed to be the most powerful branded gaming desktop in the world, the device also features factory overclocked Intel CPUs and comes with the highest available option in Intel's desktop range, also including the octa-core Core i9-9900K. According to the company, the GL12CX is also fitted with a custom liquid cooling system to ensure uninterrupted and reliable performance. The company says the 9th Gen K-series Intel Core processor is fully unlocked for further fine-tuning via Armory Crate software, which also lets users customize the Aura Sync lighting inside and out. The machine has sharp angles on the front and top of the case, and the included Armory Crate software allows for the customization of the RGB lighting that spills off these intake and exhaust vents. ASUS Aura Sync technology also allows users to synchronize the system lighting with compatible peripherals such as mice, keyboard, and even monitors. The Aura Sync lighting can also reach to in-game events and environments in compatible games such as the new Call of Duty Black Ops 4. The GL12CX has a hot swappable SSD bay developed for esports gaming that is hidden behind the case's magnetic front cover, allowing for quick swapping of profiles and games without needing to shut down the system to install a new drive with the required tools. As per the company, the hot swap bay also greatly simplifies the storage upgrades for all users. To complement the hot swap SSD bay demanded by esports tournaments, there is a DIMM.2 module that can hold dual SSDs cooled by dedicated heatsinks. According to the company, the new 9th Gen Intel Core i9-9900K with 8 cores and 16 threads is capable of delivering high frame rate gaming while simultaneously live streaming, recording gameplay, and juggling chat and other applications all on one machine. The gaming desktop comes with an Intel Z390 chipset and an option to choose between Windows 10 Pro or Home operating system. RAM of the desktop can be expanded up to 32GB of DDR4 running at 266 MHz max. For storage, the desktop system comes with options of 128, 256, and 512GB of M.2 PCIe SSDs, along with 1 or 2 TB of 7200 RPM hard disk drives. The connectivity options are Intel Gigabit LAN, dual band AC Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5. For the RAM that we have just mentioned, the frequency of 2666 is what is included. The users are of course free to upgrade on their own with higher memory speeds like 3200 MHz. So for our opinion, we would like our viewers not to expect the device to come cheap. The device will be coming at a price tag similar to the likes of the Acer Predator Orion 9000 or even more. So you can expect to spend around 3 grand get a computer like that, although that is just for the cabinet itself. The other peripherals are to be bought separately. So for those who do not absolutely want any hassle, can wait for this device to arrive, and of course who have quite a budget there, but for those who want to build budget systems have to look somewhere else. So that was it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.